Hæ, hér bók eftir Clemens frá Alexandríu. Alexandría í forna í Egyptalandi. Hún kölluð Fræðarinn, fyrsta bindi. Merkileg bók sem fræðimaðurinn Clemens ritaði. Það var lítið inn í bókina. Það var svona ýmislegt trúna Jesú Krist, Guð almáttugan. Ég til dæmis ýmislegt í ritinu hans minnir á gnostísk viðhorf. Svo sem alróttæk tvíhyggja, neikvæð viðhorf til efnisins og hins gyðinglega skapara og áherslan sem hann leggur á þekkingu fyrir fáa innvígða. Upplýsingar félagslíf gnosta annars mjög takmarkaðar. Mörg ritanna eignuð sögupersónum, svo sem Adam, Seth eða Jóhannes postula. Það segir okkur afar lítið hversdagslíf þeirra. Í ritunum sjálfum birtast hins vegar ákveðin einkenni minnihluta hópa. Gnostískar bækur. Þetta einnig góð bók. By the worship of the unmanifested one, end is attained. By the worship of the manifested, another. Thus we have heard from the wise men who taught us this. Þannig að það er að sjá Guð bæði í ósýnileika og mikið fenglega. Dýrð ljósins og einn í hinu skapaða í náttúrunni sjálfri. Það er magnað. Og hér að finna The wretched ones will be in the fire, sighing and groaning, remaining in it timelessly, forever, as long as the heavens and earth endure, except as your Lord wills. Your Lord carries out whatever he wills. Those who are blessed shall abide in the garden. They will dwell therein as long as the heavens and the earth endure, except as your Lord wills. Such bounty shall be unending. Have no doubt as to what they worship. They worship nothing but what their fathers worshipped before them. He shall certainly give them their share in full without diminishing anything. He certainly gave the book to Moses, but differences arose about it. Had it not been that a word had gone forth before your Lord, judgment would indeed have been passed on them. Yet they are in grave doubt about it. Your Lord will reward each one of them in full for their deeds. He is well aware of all their actions. Therefore stand firm in the straight path as you are commanded, along with those who have turned to God with you. And do not exceed the bounds, for he sees everything you do. Do not incline toward those who do wrong, lest the fire touch you, for then you would have none to protect you from God, and you will not be helped. Say your prayers morning and evening, and during parts of the night. Surely good makes amends for evil. This is a reminder for people who pay heed. Be steadfast, for surely God does not let the wages of the righteous be wasted. Why then were there not among the generations before you upright men who would speak out against the spread of corruption on earth, except for the few whom we saved? But the wrongdoers pursued their worldly pleasures and thus became guilty. Your Lord would never unjustly destroy communities while their people were trying to reform. If your Lord had wished, he would have made mankind into one community. As it is, they will not cease to dispute. And to this end he has created them all, except for those to whom your Lord has shown mercy. The word of your Lord shall be fulfilled. I will fill hell with jinn and men all together. We have told you the stories of the prophets to make your heart firm, and in these accounts truth has come to you, with an exhortation and a reminder for the believers. Say to those who do not believe, you do things in your way, and we are doing things in our way. And wait, we too are waiting. The knowledge of the secret of the heavens and the earth belongs to God alone, and to him shall all affairs be referred. So worship him and put your trust in him alone. Your Lord is not unaware of what you do. Skoða hérna þessu riti hér vilja Guðs og frelsi vort. Abba Nílus sagði, þú skalt ekki þrá að allt fari að þinni vild, heldur svo sem Guði þóknast. Þá verður þú frjáls frá óreiðu og þakklátur í bæn þinni. Megi Guð blessa ykkur öll og varðveita í Jesú nafni. Amen.